Create a rule and select the scheduled trigger. Add a Send Web Request action. Enter the web request URL from the documentation. Leave the HTTP method on post. Set the web request body to custom data and copy the request body template from the documentation. First, configure the export part of the rule. At a minimum, define the JQL query to define what issues to export. Then configure the action part of the rule. Define the email addresses, email subject, and body. Finally, paste the webhook URL you created in the callback rule. Check the Delay Execution of Subsequent Rule Actions option. Next, set up the required headers. Find the instructions in the documentation and follow them. To create an API token, visit the security section of your Atlassian account. If you are unsure, find the link to the documentation in the description. Add a log action and copy the log message from the documentation. Name your rule and turn it on. Your Excel file will be emailed to the recipients on your defined schedule. Let's give it a try by emailing a Service Management Excel report about pending critical tickets every week. Modify the JQL query to match the issues you want to export. Then set real email addresses, an email subject, and body. Update your rule and run it to test the automation. An email is delivered with an Excel attachment containing the pending critical tickets. Ready to automate your Jira to Excel exporting? Install Better Excel Automation for Jira Cloud now. Don't forget to also install Better Excel Exporter for Jira.